Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to start selling clothes on eBay. Now this is the eBay homepage. I'm currently signed in. All you need to do is come here and click on sell. Okay? Now, right here, what you need to do is click on list an item. Okay? Now if you tell them what exactly you're selling. So you need to use keywords like brand, model, or your unique info. If you have the VIN number, ISBN number, right, of the item. So this is the name of my item. It is a, Louis Vuitton, you know, document briefcase. So you can go ahead and search for that title and see if you have an item for there. So here they're suggesting us to go ahead and put it in, clothing. So either men's clothing, women's clothing. So go ahead and put it right here. We can keep it men's accessories as well. That still works. To provide that with the category. So what is the condition of your item? Is it new with tags or without tags? I would say it is new, but without tags, right? We'll continue to the listing. There we go. Now on this page, okay, so let's just wait for this. So this is the title. It's a good length. They give you up to 80 characters. So make sure you have keyword, right? You want to use words that people would actually search for when they're looking for your item. Okay, so this is the condition brand. Pick that up. Code style material, you can set that up as well. Whatever material you have, maybe you are using, leather, whatever material the bag is, you can go ahead and select that. The color, I would say it is brown. You can add themes as well, right? Anything that would basically give more detail that people are usually searching for. And now here we add photos and videos, okay? To let you add up to 24 photos in a 1 minute video. So that's why it shows 25 here. Because, buyers want to see all angles, all the details. So you can either upload from computer or mobile as well. You can also drag and drop the files. So this is the Louis Vuitton bag I wanted to go ahead and list. So go ahead and select all of this, and then you can drag and drop right here, and it will start uploading. Now, some of these images are being rejected because it must be over 500 pixels wide, as you can see this one and this one right here. Okay, so it is these two images right here. As you can see, this one is 600 by 450. So I'll take these two images and I'll delete them from here. I'll come to this website. It basically resizes things to 500 by 500, and I'll go ahead and use this. We'll go ahead and drag and drop right there for the files. Okay. Now I'll do the second image. So I've already done this one. All right. Go ahead and do this one as well. All right. So all you need to do is come here, click on download, download again, and it will automatically start downloading. So now I'll go back on eBay. Okay. Once it's downloaded, I'll bring these in. There we go. This one right here. And this one. So as you can see now, it is 500 by 500 pixels. So use these images. Okay. Now we can go ahead and write a description, and they do have a feature where the AI can draft a description for you. So if I just go ahead and click on that, based on the item, right, the details you've provided, it will go ahead and add in this. So here I can, choose leather, and then we'll scroll down. So you can choose a main image, something that eye-catching. So we'll do this one right here. You can also go ahead and enhance this, change the saturation, color, ring, right? You can crop it further if you want. They have the inbuilt editor, So if I go ahead and I can make this one, the main image as well, right? If you want, you can go ahead and do that. You can also remove the background if you want. Okay, can do that as well. And if you want to make this the main, you just drag it here and boom. So we have the description, and now we can set the pricing. So they do give you a recommended pricing. Okay, and this is the buy it now price. Offers are allowed. and you want to go ahead and keep the price competitive, this is what they suggest. You can change it if you would like. You just come here, click on change, and then you could do that as well. So the median price sold for this item is $3,500. You can also go ahead and see how the other sellers have priced this, and you can also allow offers, right? For example, the minimum price you will consider, you can enter it right here and schedule a listing time. The quantity you have, can put those in as well. Okay, we'll leave this price for now. And this is the shipping, section. So they have put in some recommendations right here. And this is how much the buyer would usually pay in shipping. And if you want, you can also run ads and promote your listing to help you sell even more. Okay. And if you toggle this one on, you can also donate a portion to charity. Basically, you'll get a, final value fee discount for other sold items. And this is the listing preferences, handling time 2 business days, and payments will be managed by eBay. That's all fine. And now you can just go ahead and list it for free. Just come here and click list it. You can preview if you want. I'll just go ahead and click on list it right here. Okay. So right now we're listing this item on eBay. So there we go. I'll have to sign in to continue. Make sure we do that before we make those changes to my account. And this is my email, so I'll go ahead and choose that one right there. And now it's loading everything up. All right, so there we go. We'll click on skip for now on this page. And now we just have to confirm some account details, okay, before our item is listed. So make sure everything is correct. And then click on continue. Right here, choose your address. And they'll basically send a security code to this number. Can go ahead and send that code. All right. And then you just have to enter that code right here and confirm your phone number. There we go. I have verified my information. And then before you can actually go live, you have to, verify identity with a bank account and government issued ID. Okay. But for now, you can save this as a draft. And then when you're ready, just go ahead and verify yourself and just publish it. Okay. It's really that easy and simple.